when working on older cars, quite possibly one of the most annoying things ever is this, where the bolt that you're screwing in or doing up suddenly shears the nut completely off. In this case, the actual nut itself is thankfully not captive welded in, but is pressed into the flange, as you can see here, so the flange of the top mount. So what I did was I used a Dremel to basically grind away the remainder of the thread. Then I used the Dremel to apply and cut on sort of down the other side, which basically meant that there was very little metal left. I was then able to use a chisel just to literally just sort of knock out the rest of the bolt. Now, on the old top mount, because the spring had collapsed, I didn't have to retension the spring or anything. I was literally able to just whiz off that top mount. I put a spare 12mm screw, 12mm bolt onto one of the protruding bolts, and then basically hit it very hard with a lump hammer. And the action of hitting it with a lump hammer actually pushed the captive or semi-captive nut bolt rather out of the top mount. So the final thing I did was, using plenty of plus gas and other penetrating fluid to just give us basically a bit of lubrication, I put the bolt into the top mount, and as you can see here, just very gently used the 12mm nut to wind it into the actual flange itself. However, I didn't want to go too far, because this is exactly what got me in trouble last time when it actually sheared off. So once I got it in to a point where it was pretty much flush, that was it. I then took the nut off, went over to the car and refitted the strut again, making sure that I torqued those top bolts to no more than 45 to 50 pound-foot, and the bottom bolts, which hold the strut onto the hub carrier, those were torqued up to between 110 118 pound-foot. As I say, the Almera Tino manual seems to suggest between 103 to 118 pound-foot. Anyway, if you found this video useful, don't forget to hit the like button, don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you next time.